band on my shirt. She a flirt. What up, guys? I am back with another video. In today's video, we got a hair tutorial video. Y'all be hating, like, my joint is fire, bro. And like, I need to throw some more hair tutorials on my channel, you know what I'm saying? This is the first one, and yeah, we're gonna hop straight to the video. So as you can see, I got these twists. I had these in for about 2 weeks, so they are old, and my hair is dirty. But I'm not washing it in this video. I'm not washing it. So some products that I use, some of you may know, some of you may not. We got the Pro Clean Gel. I usually put that at the ends because I don't use rubber bands. I finger coil it at the ends with gel. Yo, dude! What's good with you?
Oh, now what's good with me, right?
You're screaming. The mic is not that bad.
Yes, it is. It really is. I have to like be loud.
The mic is mad good.
Oh, when you watch the video, it's gonna laugh, right? You're gonna laugh.
I'm probably not watching it.
Oh, well, all right. I'm watching your neither.
Okay.
Oh my God! I can sit lock yourself in the bathroom.
Flicking my bean. It's like, nah. We got the leave-in conditioner. I just run that through the strands before I start twisting it. We got the moisturizer. I didn't use this time to do these twists, but I might throw some of this in there. I don't know yet. I use this too to put oil in my scalps. I don't think I used enough because my joint is like flaky and dry. Shorty said I had Deandre. I'm like, last but not least, we gonna need some of these, boy. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna start taking. Hold up, let me see first. Okay, see, this is what we gonna do. We gonna take one of these. So we can leave that down for right now. We're gonna take one of these. We gonna tie him up, you know what I'm saying? So I can do it section by section. I need a mean haircut. Oh my God. Anyway guys, yeah, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna speed it up a little. I might throw some music in the background, you know. Editing skills crazy. Video coming soon, baby, yeah. Video coming soon, baby, yeah. I'm filming. Yo. Whoa. I look good, boy. It's tight about anything. What do you mean?
Why?
No
Pause the video.
What do you mean pause? What?
I pulled one of the dance moves.
What do you mean pause the video? Yo. Band on my shirt. Ooh, she a flirt. finish my video?
No.
Alright, so this would look like, hold on. Let me get tummy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Stop hating, bro. I know you hating right now. Stop hating. Hold on. I need a good tummy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm gonna apply some olive oil, you know. Just a little bit. Man, we don't want it to get too frizzy, you know what I'm saying? First, some of you may want to like put it up into like one of these, you know what I'm saying, to like stretch it out, but I like mine's the way it is right now. I like it. Like, if I was a girl, I'd smash, you know. How y'all like it? How we looking? All I need is a haircut, you know what I'm saying? And we on our way to victory. Look good from a girl, you know what I'm saying? She looks so good too. How I'm looking? I need thumbnail. I need good thumbnail. Yo, how I'm looking? Ugly. How I'm looking, man? I'm looking good. How I'm looking? That ain't the lighting we need. Hey, stop cursing. I'm trying to get a good focus, you heard? That's crazy. Who you know? I think that's a hater. Anyways, with that being said, this is the end of the video. If you guys have any questions on what I do, how I do, when I do, what I do, what I use, you know what I'm saying, comment down below. Check out the description. Follow my social medias. What else? Yeah. Be looking forward to more hair videos. And I got a question for y'all. So should I pick my hair out in the shower like each time I wash my hair? I don't really pick out my hair unless I'm about to get it done. So I barely pick out my hair. Everybody be calling my joint nappy, but like, as you can see, it's better than yours. Basically, my question to you is, should I be picking my hair out every so often? Because like, I'm gonna keep it a band with you, like band on my shirt, I'm gonna keep it a band with you. I don't like picking out my hair because like, I feel as if the curl pattern never goes back to like those same curls. Anyways, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what you want to see. Maybe you want to see hair tutorial videos. You want to see hair tutorial videos, I'm gonna get you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get you. So anyways, like, subscribe. Do me a big favor. Leave a like if you like. At this point, I'm just talking too much. So, you know, at this point, without further ado, I'm gonna catch you on the next video.